How to fix we couldn't save your design in Canva. If you're facing this issue, then in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Canva saves design in real time, so a slow or unstable connection is the most common culprit. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or restarting your router. Next, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of Canva. If you're on a browser, you want to refresh the page or log out and back in. Next thing you want to do is clear your browser cache. For that, click on these three dots, select the option of delete browsing data. Now for time range, select all time, then check these three boxes and click on the delete data option. Once that is done, you might be logged out of your Canva, so go ahead and log back in. Once that is done, you simply want to check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to disable the extensions. For that, click on this extension icon, then select Manage Extensions and then remove any unnecessary extensions from here. And with these steps, you will be able to fix the issue of we couldn't save your design in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.